Hello and welcome guys. Today I will tell you about rocket. So how in this video I will tell you how rocket is made, which fuel rocket take and many more about rocket. So before that you like this video and subscribe my channel. So we move first. So in first slide I explained it what is rocket. A rocket is a spacecraft, aircraft, a vehicle or a projectile that obtains thrust from the rocket engine. Rocket engine exhausts a propellant carried within a rocket. It means a rocket is an spacecraft or an aircraft or a vehicle for the space which carried out an exhaust from the rocket engine propellant within the rocket. It means the people or an satellite or any other things which take with rocket and then it is exhausted and it removes. So we move at our next slide. So what is the speed of the rocket? This really depends on what you mean by into suspense. If just you want to get into an orbit, so if you need to speed of at least 4.9 million per second or about 1700,600 miles per hour. So in this slide I had explained that the orbit around the earth you need to reach a speed of at least 4.9 miles per second or about 17,600 miles per hour. So we move our next slide. So he who invented a rocket. So you can see the image of Dr. Robert Goddard. He birthed on October 5, 1882 and he died on August 10, 1945. So he was an American engineer and he successfully launched his rocket on March 16, 1996. This I had highlighted the date when was the first rocket was launched. The first rocket was launched in 16 March 1926. So his guys was the first man who discovered a rocket or who launched the rocket. Which fuel does rocket need? Most liquid chemical rocket use two separate propellants, a fuel and oxidizer. So a typical fuel include kerosene, alcohol, hydrogen and its derivatives and liquid hydrogen. So in this slide I have explained which fuel did a rocket need. So in the rocket need kerosene, alcohol, hydrogen and derivatives and liquid hydrogen. So many other have been tested and used. It means lies the other fuels like nitric acid, nitrogen peroxide, liquid oxygen and liquid fluorine are used, but they are fuel and they fail. So nowadays rocket use kerosene, alcohol, hydrogen and its derivatives plus liquid hydrogen. So we move at our next slide. Some facts about rockets. So I tried to explain some facts about the rocket in this slide. A typical rocket produces more than million pounds on a thrust, allow it to carry more than 6,000 pounds at a speed topping 22,000 per hour. Together at last, Delta rocket have launched more than 1,300 missions. The race to the moon relied on the highly successful flight of a Delta Atlas. So in this slide I had explained some facts about rocket. You can see in this slide which was the first rocket. In this slide I had explained that which was first rocket. The first space rocket which could fly high enough to get into the space was V2 missile, which was first launched by German and in 1942. So the first rocket which was actually launched something into space was used to launch Sputnik, the first satellite on October 4, 1957. So people, the first space rocket was V2 missile, but it could not reach till a height. But the second and the first, which actually take a satellite and reach at the speed of, and it actually was Sputnik, and it launched on October 4, 1957. The rocket that launched Sputnik was a R7 ICBM rocket. So guys, it was the rocket which was take and ICMI R7 RCMI, which was the first rocket. So we move toward next slide. So people, thanks for watching and we'll meet at next video. Thank you.